What's the meaning of counterproductive? Counterproductive. Counterproductive.
Counterproductive. Counterproductive. Counterproductive refers to something that has the opposite effect of what was intended, leading to a result that is less desirable or even harmful. In other words, it is when an action or behavior ends up hindering progress rather than helping it. For example, if someone spends too much time on social media instead of working on important tasks, it can be counterproductive and negatively impact their productivity and success. Counterproductive behaviors or actions can ultimately undermine one's goals and objectives and lead to adverse consequences.